for tips for booking cheap flights. 1. Open Internet browser and incognito mode to search for flights. 2. Search for flights on Tuesday and Wednesday nights for cheaper rates. 3. Use apps like Hopper, Google Flights, and Skyscanner to search. 4. Book travels for during the week to get cheaper rates.
How do you always travel? Flights are so expensive. You don't know the Google Flights hack, do you? There's a hack. Hey, go to Google Flights, enter your departure city, but leave where to blank. Now click on this map. It shows you really good deals for all these destinations. Hey, but I've seen some of these flights before and they're terrible. Like tons of layovers and takes forever to get to a destination that's honestly not very far away. Come on, would I do that to you? Slide down this little bar, click the stops filter, choose nonstop only. Now click on this little calendar. You can choose specific dates or flexible dates. The more flexible you are, the better the deals you can find. You're good. If only you had hotel hacks. Don't you know me by now? Follow along for part 2, hotel hacks.
Here's how to book the cheapest flight possible to anywhere in 2022. Just go to google.com/flights. Now scroll down and click on the map. Like 1 week trip in the next 6 months, your departing city, and for destination, put in a continent you want to visit. Say North America. Now we see all the cheapest round trip flights. Like Miami for $74. You click on it and it'll show you the cheapest date. You can also click on price graph to find a cheaper option for $62 in May. If you like saving money, make sure you follow me.
If you want to know how to book cheap flights easily, then keep watching. This is not going to be a super complicated video with all these like wild travel hacks. These are very basic tips, but can save you a lot of money. Booking for a specific place and for specific dates, then use Google Flights. I know it's cliche, but it's because it's so easy and they do give you really good deals. You don't even have to remember what's the cheapest day to fly on because their calendar literally shows you a comparison. If you're open to flying anywhere for cheap, then use the Explore option. If you really want to find cheap deals to anywhere, then you have to sign up for Scott's Cheap Flights. It's $50 for the year, which I know is a lot of money, but it's 100% worth it. This is a screen recording of my email, and basically they send me deals like several times a day for 40 to 90% off, and they're insane. Use the app Hopper for Flight Alert. I don't book my flights with Hopper because they do charge a service fee, but I do look at my trip to see if it's a good time to book it now or wait, because as you can see, they give you advice about that. And you can also watch your trip so that you get notifications on your phone when the price drops. Always use an incognito browser whenever you're looking for flights because you don't want the price to go up later. Bio for a full blog post about this topic.
Here are some of my best tips to get the cheapest flight deals. Number 1, always fly on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. These are by far the best days to book the cheapest tickets. Number 2, if you're a student, always check to see which airlines give student discounts. Sometimes these discounts can be up to half off the regular price. Number 3, always search for your plane tickets in incognito mode. Some people say this doesn't make any difference, but I'm telling y'all it really does.